And in other news, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, a reminder of the need to take steps to safeguard our health. Karen Larson finds women aren't the only ones who need to be aware. In this morning's 2 Cares for Your Health report.
And I never imagined being 37 with a terminal diagnosis. That's just not something that ever was on my path.
Whoa!
Stephanie Currington is a wife, mom, and professional accountant. Fighting cancer just didn't add into her life plans until a doctor's exam.
He asked me about this lump, and what lump?
A clinical examination is an important tool in the effort to diagnose breast cancer. Monthly self-exams are also recommended for women and men. The National Breast Cancer Foundation estimates nearly 2,200 men are diagnosed with breast cancer each year, and 410 will die. A simple exam in the shower can help pinpoint changes early.
Obviously, when you're talking about cancer, the earliest you can detect it, the better. The treatment options are much more successful at the early stages.
Mammograms are another important diagnostic tool. The American Cancer Society recommends yearly mammograms for women 45 to 54, earlier for patients with a family history of breast cancer or genetic predisposition.
And it's definitely important for that patient for annual screening mammograms, whether she's at a defined age or not.
If you have a loved one and it's recommended they do their yearly screenings, make them do it. Goad them into doing it. Whatever you got to do, make them do it.
Stephanie will tell you, don't waste time with excuses. Schedule that appointment right away.
But anything can happen, and any life can be cut short. And so I just want people to know that it can happen when you're young and least expecting it, and get those mammograms and self-checks, and it's important.
Mammograms are one important health test. There are others that can diagnose colon and lung cancer, prostate cancer in men, and cervical cancer in women, to name just a few. Find out who needs these tests and when in this story on our website, kgrh.com. Karen Larson, 2 Cares for Your Health.